Ever wondered what you could do differently on your next spring break vacation? Perhaps you've been pondering over your spring break 2024 travel plans, wondering how to make it unique and memorable. You see, the key to a great vacation lies in the planning. And that's exactly why we're here today, to guide you through some unique and practical travel tips that can elevate your spring break experience to a whole new level. Stay tuned as we dive into the best tips for spring break 2024. First off, it's crucial to research your chosen destination. You see, knowledge is power, and when it comes to travel, the more you know, the better. Start by understanding the local culture. Is there a language barrier? What's considered polite or impolite? A little respect goes a long way in making new friends abroad. Next, check the weather. Is it going to be hotter than a jalapeno in a heat wave, or colder than a snowman's nose? Pack accordingly, so you're not left shivering in shorts or melting in a woolly jumper. And of course, don't forget to look up popular tourist spots. Sure, off-the-beaten-path adventures are thrilling, but there's a reason why some attractions are famous. They're usually worth the visit. Finally, read reviews and advice from past visitors. These nuggets of wisdom might just save you from a tourist trap or lead you to a hidden gem. Remember, a well-researched traveler is a happy traveler. Our second tip is all about packing smart. Now, we've all been guilty of overpacking, haven't we? But let's try to avoid that suitcase struggle this time. Packing only the essentials is key. You really don't need 6 pairs of shoes for a week-long trip, do you? Think versatile clothing that can transition from day to night, beach to bar, city to mountainside. And don't forget, layers are your friend. Consider using packing cubes. These little lifesavers not only keep your suitcase organized, but they also help you fit more into less space. It's like a game of Tetris, but with clothes. And while we're talking essentials, let's not forget the non-negotiables. Sunscreen to shield your skin from those intense rays, and a basic first aid kit. Because let's face it, adventures can sometimes lead to scrapes and bruises. With smart packing, you'll be well prepared for anything your adventure throws at you. Our third tip is crucial: staying safe. It's the cornerstone of any successful adventure. We're not just talking about avoiding shady areas or keeping an eye on your belongings. It's much more than that. Consider investing in travel insurance. It covers a wide array of unfortunate events that could happen on your trip. From lost luggage to medical emergencies, it's a safety net that's worth having. Next, make sure you have all your emergency contact numbers stored and accessible. This includes local emergency numbers, your country's embassy, and your insurance provider. And don't forget to keep someone back home in the loop about your whereabouts and plans. It's reassuring to know that someone is aware of your movements and can raise an alarm if something doesn't seem quite right. Remember, you're out to have fun, but it shouldn't come at the cost of your security. Safety first, so you can enjoy your spring break without worries. Our fourth tip is about respecting the environment. As we venture out into the world, it's crucial to remember that we are visitors in these places. Our actions can have a significant impact, and it's up to us to make sure it's a positive one. Being an environmentally responsible traveler doesn't require grand gestures. It's about the small decisions we make every day. One way to reduce waste is by using a reusable water bottle. Not only does it cut down on plastic waste, but it also keeps you hydrated during your adventures. And of course, avoid littering. Even the smallest wrapper can disrupt local ecosystems. If there are no trash bins in sight, keep your waste with you until you find one. Respect for local flora and fauna also goes a long way. Admire the beauty of nature, but remember to leave it as you found it. By respecting the environment, you're ensuring that future travelers can enjoy the same beautiful sights. Our last tip for today's video is to try something new. Now, we know that everyone has their comfort zones, and it's easy to stay within them. But hey, spring break is all about breaking free, isn't it? So, let's shake things up a little. How about trying some local food? You might discover a new favorite dish, or maybe join in on a local tradition or festival. It's a wonderful way to immerse yourself in a new culture and make some amazing memories. And if you're feeling really adventurous, why not try a new activity? Ever thought about surfing, snorkeling, or maybe even bungee jumping? There's a first time for everything, and who knows, you might just find your new passion. Remember, it's these unique experiences that enrich our lives and make our journeys memorable. So don't be afraid to step out and explore the unknown. Stepping out of your comfort zone can make your spring break truly unforgettable. Let's recap the tips we've discussed today. First off, we talked about the importance of researching your destination. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can help you avoid crowded tourist traps, find the best local spots, and navigate your way around a new place with ease. Next, we moved on to the art of packing smart. Remember, less is more. Packing light and right can save you from unnecessary stress and help you remain mobile and ready for any spontaneous adventure. We also emphasized the importance of staying safe. It's easy to let loose and forget about safety measures, but it's crucial to be vigilant and mindful of your surroundings. Always have a plan in case things go sideways. Our fourth tip focused on respecting the environment. Remember, we are guests in these places, and we should leave them as we found them, if not better. Let's make an effort to minimize our footprint and contribute positively to local communities. Finally, we encouraged you to try something new. Spring break is the perfect time to step out of your comfort zone and make unforgettable memories. As you plan your Spring Break 2024 travel, keep these tips in mind. They can help you have a fun, memorable, and hassle-free trip. Thank you for joining us today. Remember these tips for your Spring Break 2024, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels.